billion hearts broke when you left and went at that time. What happened? Like,
But I married a heart mender, so it's okay.
Okay. Right. But
can
did he know, like, did your husband know, like, the Madhuri phenomenon when...
No, not really, because he grew up there. He was born in London, and when they were 7, they moved to the US. He used to come here for vacations when he was little, and once he was in like grade 8 and all this, it was lesser and lesser slowly because then he was in college. And you know, Maharashtrians, they're not so much into movies. It's more about getting educated and have a good education and this and that. So he didn't watch, and he didn't know Hindi. He knew Marathi because his grandparents didn't know English, so he had to talk to them in Marathi. So he's good with Marathi, but he didn't understand Hindi at that point. Now he does, but at that point. And so he didn't watch very many films. He said the only film he had watched was Amar Akbar Anthony. You know, so he knew, the only one he knew was Amitabh Bachchan. You know, but rest, when I met him, it was like, oh, what do you do? And I work in films. Oh, very nice. And that's it. But he didn't know the impact, or he didn't know who I was, or...
Was that a factor which you found attractive? And
Yes, because, you know, I could meet him without him having any preconceived notions about me or how I should be, or how... because when people see my movies, they have some thoughts in their mind. She will be like this, or she will be like that, or, you know, she comes out... wakes up in the morning, Didi tera devati, like that. I don't know how people think about me. I'm like ready, you know. So I have my bad days, good days, everything. So when I met him, it was very refreshing to just vibe with someone on a very personal level. Nothing about, there was no filter of this, oh my God, she's a star. And there's nothing like that. It was like two people meeting just anywhere in the world and, you know, just talking and getting to know each other. And it was wonderful.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is, टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.